We are pleased to welcome you to this center and begin by giving apologies of two of our co-principals, three actually. Yes, the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, Sister Mother Karua, and Wycliffe Ombetsa Oparanya, as well as Jakoya. In fact, we understand Jakoya's home was raided, but he's out there in Western Kenya. So we will have a statement read by Governor Mwangi wa Iria, and if there be any questions, we'll take them. I'll be very pleased to take them. But thank you for coming.
Thank you. And this is our joint statement. Genocide underway in Kenya.
You need to shout.
Genocide underway in Kenya. We meet here under very sad and traumatizing circumstances.